In this video, we will share some N10-009 CompTIA Network Plus practice exam for your preparation. 1. A network administrator is configuring a new switch and wants to ensure that only assigned devices can connect to the switch. Which of the following should the administrator do? A. Configure ACLs. B. Implement a captive portal. C. Enable port security. D. Disable unnecessary services. Answer: C. 2. Which of the following steps in the troubleshooting methodology includes checking logs for recent changes? A. Identify the problem. B. Document the findings and outcomes. C. Test the theory to determine cause. D. Establish a plan of action. Answer: A. 3. Which of the following is a cost-effective advantage of a split-tunnel VPN? A. Web traffic is filtered through a web filter. B. More bandwidth is required on the company's internet connection. C. Monitoring detects insecure machines on the company's network. D. Cloud-based traffic flows outside of the company's network. Answer: D. 4. A network engineer receives a vendor alert regarding a vulnerability in a router's CPU. Which of the following should the engineer do to resolve the issue? A. Update the firmware. B. Replace the system board. C. Patch the OS. D. Isolate the system. Answer: A. 5. Which of the following steps of the troubleshooting methodology would most likely include checking through each level of the OSI model after the problem has been identified? A. Establish a theory. B. Implement the solution. C. Create a plan of action. D. Verify functionality. Answer: D. 6. Which of the following steps of the troubleshooting methodology should a technician take to confirm a theory? A. Duplicate the problem. B. Identify the symptoms. C. Gather information. D. Determine any changes. Answer: A. 7. Which of the following is the next step to take after successfully testing a root cause theory? A. Determine resolution steps. B. Duplicate the problem in a lab. C. Present the theory for approval. D. Implement the solution to the problem. Answer: D. 8. After installing a series of Cat8 keystones, a data center architect notices higher than normal interference during tests. Which of the following steps should the architect take to troubleshoot the issue? A. Check to see if the end connections were wrapped in copper tape before terminating. B. Use pass-through modular crimping plugs instead of traditional crimping plugs. C. Connect the RX, TX wires to different pins. D. Run a speed test on a device that can only achieve 100 megabits per second speeds. Answer: A. 9. Which of the following describes the best reason for using BGP? A. Preventing a loop within a LAN. B. Improving reconvergence times. C. Exchanging router updates with a different ISP. D. Sharing routes with a Layer 3 switch. Answer: C. 10. A critical infrastructure switch is identified as end of support. Which of the following is the best next step to ensure security? A. Apply the latest patches and bug fixes. B. Decommission and replace the switch. C. Ensure the current firmware has no issues. D. Isolate the switch from the network. Answer: B.